Step one, open the hood, lock the car, move the key far away so the car doesn't wake up as you've got the sensors unplugged. Step two is lift the engine cover using 4 posts and grommets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so. PT unit. It has 2 branches, short and long. So you want to lay the harness over here so that you're going to plug in the short branch on a pressure sensor here and the long branch on a pressure sensor here. So to take the plug off, you have to unlock the white clip. I use a big screwdriver, kind of twist it. You push down so it releases the clip in the front. Or sometimes you can just take a screwdriver and lift it up and push it off. You get the plugs from the TT unit. Plug in and push. And push. Lock. And hide that away. Next, I'm going to do this pressure sensor. Same procedure. Unlock. You don't have to, but if it helps, just lift and push out. You're trying to clear this lock by lifting that up. Get the TT harness, plug in and lock. And the other side, whatever you took off the car, goes on the TT. Plug in and lock. And one more time, hide the wires away. Okay. To open this, just twist it, lift, and in my case, I have just put the wiring harness through here. And I'm going to mount the unit over here. Just hold that on the side. And zip tie through the pockets. That's it. Zoom out the pad. And make sure the cover closes. On, chin. That. My tip for putting the engine cover on, I put my finger on here so I'm not blindfolded. This goes in the back, slides through, and I locate and back in. I'll start with the engine cover. You're trying to put the engine cover on 1, 2, 3, and 4 is back there. 4. And get this cover, slide in with my finger on this grommet so I know that it goes on here. And once that's on and the oil cap is centered, everything should just fall in place. Get any tools,